Daldal ako ng daldal kanina. Hindi mo na naka-on. Wait! Ayan guys, dami ko sinasabi kanina guys. Oh, naka 10 minutes na ako. Wala pala akong naka-on na video. So ayan guys, balik naman tayo guys. No, welcome back to my channel guys. Kahit magulong bahay namin, paspasan na ako istorya guys. Magulo ang bahay namin kasi ang dami mo namin bagayan and maglilipat po kami ng bahay. At baka ngayong araw ay hahakot na pagdagdating ni Mr. mula sa outstation. So ngayon mayroon akong 3 anak dito, isang adopted at 2 totoo. So kakatapos lang namin kumain at ang hagard-hagard natin, pero okay lang yan, laban lang dahil sobrang busy. So ngayon guys, dahil Christmas po bukas, so binibigay ko na sa aking mga anak ang kanilang present na para sa kanila bago ko makalimutan, dahil babalik po ako sa 26 mag-work. Dahil sobrang busy natin mag-packing dito sa bahay at maglilinis, ibigay ko na sa kanila. At wala na, hindi na uso yung decoration namin sa ngayong taon dahil sadali, nangangawit yung kamay ko. So nandito lang pala yung hindi mangangawit yung aking mga kakamayan. So ayan mga maring, na huwag kayong mag-alala mga maring na makalat yung aming bahay dahil ihahakutin pa po yan. Dahil ngayon lang ako nag-off day at sobrang haggard, galing pa kami na malingki, no? So ito pong episode na to, ayan po ang Christmas present po sa aking mga anak at sa aking adopted. Dahil nandito po yung si Shafina guys, yung best friend ni Crystal, dahil po sinamahan niya si Crystal dahil si Crystal lang mag-isa dito. Lagi yan sila makasama dahil nasa work kami ni Gavin at daddy naman nila ay nasa off-station. So sinamahan niya si Crystal dito sa bahay para hindi naman mabuboring at hindi matatakot. At dahil nga Pasko ngayon guys, binibigyan ko sila ng present. So, this is it. The present of Crystal at Chabilicious. Ayan, hindi ko pa nakita ito guys. I hope kasya sa kanya. Okay, open na. Ang Gavin po niya. Shafina po niya. Open. Ang kay Shafina ay Shein. Hindi ko na napacking dahil wala po akong paper bag na. Ubusan po ako or baka hindi ko lang mahanap dahil sobrang kalat ang bahay, no? So, hindi ko siya na-packing kasi hindi ko naman expected na magpunta si Shafina dito. But now, Shafina is here, so I can give her already this Shein present, Christmas present. Okay. Open now. I hope you like it, everyone. Happy?
Yeah.
Oh, you open the tali dulu ada kasi masuk because you have short one kan. You wear the short one.
On camera.
It's okay. It's okay ba? Si Shafina.
See the back.
I need scissors.
That's from Shein.
This side, show the side.
Ada one, I know your style ma because you very like to sexy kan. Si Gavin naman guys, ayan, sariling sikap. Be careful.
I know how to use these.
You know bantay bitaw.
Ang tamad ng babasag sudah.
And then after that, Gavin, Chichi, Pina, the one, the paper bag, you use it.
A lie detector.
What is you have? Open it.
Open
first.
A lie detector.
Oh, later your people do the lie detector with him because that is what he wish.
Lie detector. Like the American one.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Kasya ni Crystal. Oh, love it. Open up daw. Up.
I like it. Oh, I like this one.
I know, that's why I find it. Very long time I find it. Upstairs, downstairs. Kalat na ng bahay natin. No, yun na. Move. Camera ate. Doon ka, Gab. Let ate pass first. Oh, ngam lah. Ano yung pakai the rubber shoes? That is the famous now Mara style. So you have already like that. Ang akong Chabilicious. Happy na siya sa iyong present. The your partner, the body fit, the white one, of white, black, like that. Or red, Chinese New Year. That is for Chinese New Year one, ha? Ano, ha? Also for Chinese New Year. And then, find the red, long sleeve.
Long sleeve.
The other one, try because the other one is bigger a little bit. But as long the 4X, as long the one is fit. Ay, excited juga ang bata, oh. Excited si Binot. Happy, Shapi? Happy? Merry Christmas! Si Gavin have many one. Not only that, but this one, the others, later I gonna show you guys. I will unbox also the other present. For Gavin and Crystal, maybe. I'm not sure. I still have, yeah. Hold on. I will wait for your brother. Come guys, ay upo mo na ang inyong lingkod dahil sobrang pagod. Ayan, guys. Mag-unboxing naman tayo ng ating ibang...
I know.
Ayusin mo nga to. Ano ba yan? Oy, ang hirap.
Okay.
Oh, lie detector. No need battery, ha? I don't know, maybe rechargeable or what.
Lie detector.
Si Gavin naman, guys, ay lie detector yung gusto niya.
Made in China.
Yeah, need battery, right? Give me.
Everything that I see is
In the
made.
new house there, if you people...
But I just want to tell you something.
This one, guys, lie detector yung regalo ko kay Gavin. Puro yun ang giti ninyo, ani.
See, it's made from
You know what?
China.
Shaking your tantalaw if you get electric. This one. Give me the cover.
If I
Why,
lie,
waiting your dad come back because we don't have battery. Where's the cover?
if I lie, wait,
cover, the
give
cover.
me.
Okay guys, ngayon guys ay pagpatuloy natin ang ating pag-unbox ng ating mga Christmas present na binili natin sa online dahil wala po tayong time mag-shopping. Dahil hindi na po tayo nakakalabas, hindi na po tayo nakakapunta ng mall. Kaya dito na lang ako nagbibili. O di ba nakakatuwa lang po nga sa ating ano. Wala talaga sa plano ko talaga guys na ganito pero timing lang din talaga na ang Chinese New Year is coming na din. Another present, ay Gavin, advance present for your birthday next 2 months. Shoes! Spider-Man! Yay! May shoes si Gavin guys na Spider-Man. Pinili ko yung malaki ang size. Pull up your t-shirt. Up. Partner, ngam na, and then you wear the body fit. Do not wear like that, and then wear the baggy shirt, not nice kan? Must be, because baggy pants already. So, yan po ang shoes ni Gavin guys. Pinili ko yung malaking size kasi next year pa naman niya susuotin. Size 38 po ito at
So you wear.
in-order ko to sa Timo. O diba, napaka-spoil ng mga anak ko talaga sa akin guys pag ako may pera. O, gab-gab! Next year this month for your birthday. Yeah. Keep kay
I will.
waiting daddy come back ha.
I will.
The one na stick to the wool one. The wool. The table pula. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng shoes ni Gavin, napakagaan. Ayan, mahalin po yan guys. Sa Timo ko binili. O Gavin, happy with your shoes? With your size?
Yeah.
Because you're gonna wear it next month, next year.
Next year.
For Chinese New Year and your birthday.
There's like 8 days left.
I mean your birthday. What? Purado na isa. Kasana daw yung present na. Kitchen, tulong. Isang balik. Another present for Gavin! Grabe si Gavin. Birthday present ni Gavin guys. So ako lang ang natutuwa. Siya hindi. Oh, partner! Gab! Partner with your rubber shoes! Partner for your rubber shoes! Ang ganda kasi ng tela guys pag sa Timo. Hiyang talaga sa kanya yung tela sa mga Timo na mga t-shirt, mga damit pang bata kasi nga si Gavin ay mapili, pawisin. So ayan si Chef ulit. Another present kay Gavin para ito sa birthday niya. Another Spider-Man! You see your chichi fish? You see your chichi fish ba? Hoy! You see your chichi fish? Your chichi fish? Another 3D Spider-Man. Kasya ko na ang mga t-shirt ni Gavin guys kasi pinili ko ay malalaking size. Kasi malaking bata si Gavin, malaking katawan. Halos kasing laki ko na. Kahit magna-9 pala siya. Ito po ay pang 13 to 14 years old ang binili ko na damit. Ang ganda kasi ng tila, malamig. Kaya ito yung mga binili ko. Ayan, very good. Another present for your birthday. One set, Partner lang siya ng black pants ka. And then,
More present for Gavin.
another Spider-Man!
How many are there?
Wow, so many!
How many are there?
Many naman! Happy? Ang chichi kalok ng buhok. Wala na siya yahan guys.
I'm literally.
Another for Gavin! Yay! Another! Yay! Ang dami mong damit, Gavin. Then, for Mommy! Happy birthday! Merry Christmas pala, Mommy.
I swear.
Merry Christmas, Mommy! This is my present for you. For Mommy is a saving book.
See, Mama, see?
This is a saving book, guys. Nagamitan natin ng password para hindi matanggal yung mga pera natin. Ilalagay dyan o anong mga document. This is my saving book. This is not for you. This is for Mommy, ha?
See. Ating gift pa, no?
Ay, nako. Another for Mommy! Crystal? Panty ni Mami! Yan naman, oh, panty naman talaga. Bumili ako ng mga panty, guys, kasi nag-busback ng ating mga panty. So, ayan. Maraming panty na ako. Kahit araw-araw mag-base ako ng 10 beses. Walang problema. Yung cover letter, you lose that. Ang ganda. Ganito kasi yung gusto kong panty, guys. Yung walang tahi sa gilid. Para hindi makapi. Hindi masakit. Oy, anak, you want like this panty? You want like this, seamless? I don't know if fit for you. That's
Not even a single one.
Kan, may panak magbasag sila.
Only from my dad's house.
cannot fit for you.
I want.
Huh? You want? Oh, you take the black. You want the black? Oh, that is my present for you. Another one. My present, Christmas present is 2 baggy pants, different color, and 1 black panty.
I was gonna faint.
Ay, wala naman. Ay, for Crystal! Ano daw to? Tingnan mo. This is another for Crystal, guys. Palilipat na kami ng bahay. Mayroon na
I was
siyang
gonna
bag
think
organizer! Para sa kanyang mga bag. Kasi marami po siya mga bag. Nakalagay lang kung saan. So, ihang lang sa kabinet, ganyan. Pag ayaw naman niya gamitin, ako ang magamit kasi marami din akong bag na maliliit. That is a bag organizer. Your bag, the small one, yeah, your smaller bag one.
Oh,
You hang and then you put like that to organize.
good lang.
Ah,
So Shafina can choose which one she wants again. Everything she thinks.
so nothing scatter already your bags, okay? In the new house, you put it back. I got to use that in the new house. That's it, guys. At wala lang iba, wala lang naman. Sa susunod na naman, pag mayroon na naman tayong blazing, mag-order na naman tayo sa online kasi wala naman tayo mag-ano guys, mag-shopping. Wala po ito dito. Mahirap po ito hanapin sa lugar namin dito. Kung mayroon man, sobrang mahal. Pero ito lang yung para sa akin guys. Christmas present ko sa akin sarili. Na pag-ipunan ko siya. Mayroon pa siyang libreng mga stickers. My personal savings family. May mga stickers po siya pakapin. Tapos, paano ba ito abrihan? Wala, I cannot open man.
Check the
Ay, ganun na pala, oh. Tapos mayroon po siyang i-sheet natin na password. Siyempre, ako lang nakakaalam. Kaya nobody can open it. Oh, pwede mo siya lagyan ng mga ATM cards, ganyan. Marami namang klase ito, guys. Ang instruction is in here.
I'm here to do it.
Ay. Hari-hari si Mami bawa. Pwede lagyan ng ballpen, lagyan ng pera, ayan, oh. Mayroon din siyang another, dito, oh. Na kailangan, mayroon dito nakalagay na budget sheet. Ako. Ayan, ilalagay natin yung pera dito. Yung mga ipon challenge natin guys, ilalagay dito guys. Tapos itago lang maayos. Para hindi mawala. Pero for now, hindi ko pa ito gagamitin. Tsaka na, pag mayroon na tayong ilalagay ng pera. For now, wala pa tayong ilalagay. Kaya ganito lang muna. Happy? Nangaluya man lang mo guys. Oh, why so lungkoy-lungkoy na ha, mga.
Cherry job.
Ha?
Cherry job.
Happy?
Yeah.
So what can you say to Mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
What can you say to Mommy? Okay, na-answer. What can you say, the present?
I like it.
What you say to Mommy?
Thank you.
Ay, walang feeling.
Thank you, mommy.
Crystal!
Oh my God, thank you, mommy. I love you so much.
Ew, oo eh.
Oh my God.
Shopee na?
Thank you, auntie.
Gaban?
Thank you.
Eh! Wala na, bankrupt na si Mami. How?
What else?
Hoy! Today is Christmas. Where's your present for me?
My existence. I exist.
I do one yourself. What?
Me looking for a job, yeah.
Ay, looking for a job.
Your present is
You help me to clean the house. That's all. Later we go to the new house. We're gonna clean there. We bring the Clorox, everything. Huh? Huh? If later night, Mami gonna cook lagi. Very fast only the one for dinner. The mixed seafood. Very fast only. Yay! Sana all. Bayrong nangalungkoy na oh. Basta cellphone talaga guys. Ayan na sila oh. Ako nga wala pa kiyo. Tinan mo walang kahapon pa ako nakaligo. Pero okay lang, laban pa rin ang inahan. Oy, bisang na-stress na sa kalat sa balay guys. Kahit na-stress na tayo, hala, katawa lang yapong taan eh. Wag lang tayong tatawang mag-isa, di ba? O, di ba guys? So happy na ako sa aking saving notebook. At saka sa aking panty. Hoy, anak, you try the panty. If you cannot fit it,
Nanti, nanti.
you return it back to me, okay?
You want me to pakai right now in front of the camera? Nah.
I want to see how sexy the chubby bilalat. Ay, nako. Matagal na hindi ko nakakita ng bilalat na chubby na. Hoy, it's been long time I did not see a chubby bilalat. Last, I see your chubby bilalat when I last shower you when you were 11 years old. In the, yeah, the time I shower you, I help you to shower and then you malo already. Mommy, where are you? Mommy, help to wash lagi the bilalat.
Stop! You cut it out. Oh my gosh.
Why, that's trauma. Why, want to shy? But now, cannot already. It's been 6 years already. I did not see the bilalat. Medyo na anak. So happy! Ah, grabe, ang dami ni Gavin present for the birthday. Oh! This is advance birthday present of Gavin. Para sa birthday niya guys, sa February, ay hindi na ako mamimili. Magbili na lang ako ng lutuin at sa bahay na lang namin gagawin ang birthday niya. Kasi hindi na kami magbili sa labas kasi nakapakagastos. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Rachel Stone Vlog. At huwag niyong i-skip ang aking ads para naman makabili tayo ng bugas. Bye-bye guys!